Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel Nihal's Lab Notes. In this video, we are going to see how to install TensorFlow in Anaconda. First of all, let's open Anaconda Navigator. Let's go to CMDX prompts here to see our Python version first of all. So click to launch here, then Python version. So I have 3.11.5, my Python version. Now let's go to environments here. I have already created an environment here as you see, but if you don't already create it, so just click here to create, give a name to your environment. It will take a few seconds, yeah. So yeah, for me I would choose 3.10.13, okay, to not have a problem, and create, but I've already created here, so cancel. So then go here to not installed and click here to TensorFlow. And you can see here TensorFlow here and Keras. Then click to apply here. As you see, solving package specification. Okay, I've already done all of this. After the click to apply, you are going to have this interface. As you see here, just click to apply. So now let's launch Jupyter Notebook here. Let's create a new notebook. Okay. Import TensorFlow as TF. It should work. It's work. So we haven't here an error or another thing, so it has been installed.